I'm going to make you a short video on 3 exercises that you can do at home. This is to stretch your back and improve your posture. Very easy to do. Lie on your back. You can do it in bed in the morning. Make sure you've got a pillow under you so you're nice and relaxed, not straining your neck. So for 1 minute, you bring up your knee to your chest. You're only stretching your hamstrings and your glute muscles. 1 minute. Other side, 1 minute. Then bring both knees up and try to rock a little bit. I'm going to demonstrate on the spine why this is so important. Rock like this for 1 minute, and then you end off stretching sideways like this. Don't bring your knee up, just let it hang down, arm down, just like I adjust you, so that you're stretching the muscles off the adjustment. 1 minute, and then 1 minute the other way. So that's 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. And this is what we are trying to accomplish. When we adjusting sideways, I get on this lever here and do those adjustments, and as you can see how those facet joints open up, very, very important. I want you to see this because it's not just your muscles. If you actually can see the joints of your spine opening up and how important it is, especially when you get older and you start having arthritis. When you lie on your back, you bring your knees to your chest, this is what's happening. The knees are coming up here, and those facet joints are opening up nicely, and when you're rocking, they're opening up like that. So easy to do at home and safe.